Hi, Kayla.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. I'm excited because today we made matcha lemonade.
I know, you're trying to turn me onto a new drink now.
I know.
I'm excited.
If you didn't see before, Kayla turned me onto tart cherry juice with magnesium. It's the sleepy girl mocktail. I knew it was going to come today.
I still drink it.
I do too.
I love
really
it.
Good. Today, though, I am introducing Kayla to making her own matcha lemonade. I'm very excited. It costs a lot less than going to your favorite coffee house drive-thru.
Yes.
And matcha has awesome benefits. So it is packed with antioxidants, has a little caffeine, less than coffee, but it has some caffeine. So if you're like me and you can't sleep at night if you have coffee after like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, this is a nice little kick in the pants for the afternoon.
Enough.
Yep.
Cool.
Get us through the day. So let's give this a try.
Or
I'm gonna give you some more ice.
I love it.
Very nice and cold.
Oh, you can
smell
smell
good?
like the lemon.
We squeezed fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of hot water, 1.5 teaspoons of matcha, 2 cups of lemonade, 2 cups of sugar, and you put it all in the blender, and then it's delicious.
Yeah.
And fantastic.
I'm excited.
Okay, shall we try? All right.
Yes.
Cheers.
Oh,
Actually,
that's
so good. So good. This is fantastic. This is my new summer drink. Little caffeine, antioxidants, some lemon juice.
I am
summer.
super particular with sugar though, so I would maybe even cut it in half for me, but like it's good.
Sweet. I think you could do less than 2 cups of sugar or try maybe like agave or honey.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, we'll have to try that next time.
It.
All right.
Sorry.